all learners, welcome again to my YouTube channel Developing Genius Mind. So I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to teach you present indefinite tense. Okay, as you all know that there are three kinds of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. And again all these three tenses are further divided into four categories: simple, present continuous, then perfect and perfect continuous. Okay, and today we will just focus on the simple present tense. Okay, so now let me tell you that where do we use simple present tense, in what kind of situation do we use present tense. So first is in in habit, regular habits, things we do on daily basis, or some permanent situation like sun rises in the east. This sentence is also an example of simple present tense. Okay, now let me tell you the rule. Where do we use, means what is the rule of forming sentence formation of present tense. So first subject plus verb plus es and then object. Okay, let me tell you one example. Like we play football. We, like s and es, we add with singular subject only. If subject is plural, we don't use s or es. Okay, like he plays with me. He is a singular, so we use s with singular subject. I hope this much is clear to you. Now, before going forward, let me tell you the kinds of sentence which are used in forming sentence formation. Okay, so for making sentence formation or for doing sentence, for making sentence, we just have to learn four kinds of tenses, four kinds of sentences. First is positive or affirmative sentence. Okay, then second is negative, third is interrogative, and fourth is interrogative negative sentence. Okay, now positive sentence, which is positive, like he play with me, and negative, he does not play with me. Interrogative, does he play with me, or interrogative negative, does he not play with me. Okay, so these are some example of these kinds of sentences. Now let me tell you more clearly so that it will be more clear to you. Now let me tell you some more about the interrogative sentence. Have you heard about WH family? WH words like what, where, whose, when, okay, which. So these are some words. With the help of these words we can make some interrogative sentence, like when you came here. Okay, like this, like whose bag is this, ye kiska bag hai. So basically if we are like he is a boy. Okay, so and whenever we form interrogative sentence na, we have to add helping verb before subject. And like in making simple present tense, in simple present tense we don't use any kind of helping verb. If, as you know, I have mentioned in the rule also that subject plus verb plus es, so we don't use smr in simple present tense. So we use, in making interrogative sentence, we use do and does. Do is used with plural and does is used with singular, like he, she, it, we use does. He does like to go there. Okay, no, he does not. कोई अच्छा सेंटेंस बनाते हैं, like she doesn't like mango. Okay, the fan moves slowly. So do and does, like if we want to make interrogative sentence, so do you know my name? Does she like you? Okay, do you like to have mangoes? These kinds of sentences. So I hope everything is clear to you. In this video I taught you simple present tense. Okay, and I taught you the kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences: affirmative, negative, interrogative, interrogative negative. Now let me briefly tell you, like I am taking one sentence and I am making four kinds of sentences. Like I have taken he is a boy, very simple sentence. He is a boy, positive sentence. He is not a boy, negative sentence. Is he a boy? Interrogative. Is he not a boy? Interrogative, negative. So this is all about the tenses. I hope everything is clear. If you have any query in simple present tense or in making sentences, you can write in comment box. So thank you so much. Okay, bye.